Esricania, and I will be reciting the multiplication table. Here I go. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. By 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. By 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. And 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. By 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 10. By 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. And 5 times 10 equals 50. By 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. And 6 times 5 equals 30. And 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 49. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. By 7. 7 times 1 equals 1. 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 10 is 70. By 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 is 56. And 8 times 8 equals to 56. And 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 is 80. By 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 18. 9 times 4 equals 27. 9 times 5 is 36. Tama. And
mali ka.
Okay ra. And 9 times 6 is 54. And 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. By 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 80 is 80. 10 times 90 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. That is my multiplication, I said. This is Alir Nasser Esricania signing out.